coming soon to me. No parking in LA. So I'ma send a Uber.
So this is all my stuff that I got from Walmart. This is my Walmart haul. So just getting ready for the week. So yeah, I look so crusty. I'm gonna take these braids out and do my hair. I mean, it can go, but I'm just in an era of looking cute always. I am taking down my hair and watching Netflix. I put my clothes in the washing machine. It's 5:30 something, so like start dinner at 6 for my son. I'm gonna eat leftovers. I made some chicken, some green beans, some honey biscuit croissants, and some dirty rice. So that's what I be having. My son don't eat none of that, so I just let him eat whatever he want to eat. All right, so don't mind the screen. My son broke the thing. I have to get it fixed, but I am doing my daily reflections on my iPad, and all I do is just write what I did, like and then I put blah 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 blah. So I'm just trying to get into habit of checking in with myself, because I'm on a journey to like bettering myself. I took down my hair, by the way, but I'm trying to get into a habit of like checking in with myself, writing down, doing daily reflection, just trying to like recreate who I am, trying to build the life of the dream girl that I want to be. I'm 26, and I'm 26. My golden birthday was on the 26th of June. And I just want to use this year of me being 26 to reflect on Tiana. How can I better myself? Just walk into that dream life that I always wanted.
To your place is my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace.
So I just got done folding. CJ is still asleep. I just love the sunset. It's hard to believe. This is so good. Y'all, look at my post. So I did a thing or two. I got my hair cut. I just feel like 26, it just gives grown woman. Sticky man, do you like my hair? I'm having pizza and cinnamon. So what I get on my pizza is roasted peppers and chicken sausage. So good. I'm loving my hair so much.
Today's a new day, but there is no sunshine. Nothing but clouds. It's dark in my heart. Feels like a cold night. Today's a new day, but where are my blue skies? Where is the love, joy that you promised me? It's alright.
So I am on my way to drop CJ off at daycare. I just stopped to get me some Dunkin' Donuts. I always be safe. I get the same thing at every coffee shop. I get an iced caramel macchiato. Hey babes, so we are about to go to Raising Cane's. They just put a Raising Cane's over here by my house. We did not have a Raising Cane's here in Milwaukee, well, in the inner city. So we're about to go get some gas, and then we're about to try Raising Cane's, and hopefully we can get some because the line been crazy. And then I'm gonna show you guys, like, I'm gonna let you guys know if I like it or not. All right, so I'm at the gas station about to get some gas because I know this line finna be long, and I just hope that this Raising Cane's be good. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Look at this long ass line, y'all. Literally, I'm in this line. Ain't no going back. That's why I went to go get some gas though, because I couldn't. I feel trapped. I really feel trapped. Like, what did I just get myself into? What did I just get myself into for some Raising fucking Cane's?